the Oppo Find X9 Pro, which is expected to launch in October this year in China. This is the first look Oppo Find X9 Pro. Oppo Find X9 Pro come in white, purple, gray, magenta. Oppo Find X9 Pro is expected to feature a 6.78-inch flat OLED LTPO display with a 1.5K resolution. It will come with 2.5D curved glass and an R-angle design, offering a clean and modern front look. The Oppo Find X9 Pro will use the upcoming MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. The device will ship with ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. On the rear will be a 50MP main camera using Sony's Lisha LYT828 sensor, a 50MP ultrawide using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor, and a 200MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom using Samsung's ISOCELL HP5 sensor. For selfies, 50MP camera Samsung ISOCELL JN5. The battery capacity is alleged to be 7,550 mAh, with support for 80W wired and 50W wireless charging, as well as IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. A global rollout, including India, by mid-November. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.